What you eating? What you eating, little boy? Yummy. You got fruit for breakfast. You got a little treat, huh? You've been a good little boy. Yummy. Is that good? Is that good? Yes, it is. It's yummy, huh? Yum yums. Yum yums. Yum yums. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Trying to find a good part. Uh-oh. You dropped it. You dropped it. You dropped it. Good. Look, there's another one.
When's the date that I last worked? It was the 13th, right?
No, Mama help you. Here. What is this one? Melon? Melon. Can you say, I love melon? And I love fruit. And I love you.